Greetings, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, join me in a delightful exploration of meatless dishes. Get ready to embark on a meatless journey. Recipe 1. Chickpea and Spinach Curry. Our culinary journey begins with a flavorful chickpea and spinach curry. Gather these ingredients: chickpeas, spinach, tomatoes, onion, garlic, ginger, curry spices, coriander, cumin, turmeric, garam masala, coconut milk, basmati rice. Let's create a symphony of spices. Cooking instructions for chickpea and spinach curry. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in a pan until fragrant. Add chickpeas, tomatoes, and the blend of curry spices, cooking until tomatoes break down. Pour in coconut milk and simmer until the curry thickens. Fold in fresh spinach and serve over basmati rice. Recipe 2. Lentil and vegetable soup. Next up, let's warm the soul with a comforting lentil and vegetable soup. Gather these ingredients: lentils, carrots, celery, onion, garlic, vegetable broth, tomatoes, bay leaves, fresh herbs, thyme, rosemary, olive oil. Prepare for a nourishing bowl of goodness. Cooking instructions for lentil and vegetable soup. Sauté onions, garlic, carrots, and celery in olive oil until softened. Add lentils, tomatoes, vegetable broth, bay leaves, and fresh herbs. Simmer until lentils are tender and the soup is flavorful. Serve hot, and enjoy this hearty meatless soup. Recipe 3. Mushroom and spinach stuffed portobello mushrooms. Let's indulge in a savory dish with mushroom and spinach stuffed portobello mushrooms. Gather these ingredients: portobello mushrooms, spinach, mushrooms, garlic, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, olive oil. Prepare for a delightful twist on stuffed mushrooms. Cooking instructions for stuffed portobello mushrooms. Remove stems from portobello mushrooms and brush with olive oil. Sauté garlic, mushrooms, and spinach until cooked. Mix sautéed ingredients with breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. Stuff the portobello caps and bake until golden brown. Recipe 4. Quinoa salad with roasted vegetables. Let's explore the world of salads with a hearty quinoa salad featuring roasted vegetables. Gather these ingredients: quinoa, bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, red onion, feta cheese, balsamic vinaigrette, olive oil. Get ready for a colorful and nutritious bowl. Cooking instructions for quinoa salad with roasted vegetables. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. Roast bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and red onion with olive oil until tender. Mix cooked quinoa with the roasted vegetables, feta cheese, and drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette. Recipe 5. Eggplant parmesan. Our culinary journey concludes with a classic Italian favorite: eggplant parmesan. Gather these ingredients: eggplant, marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, eggs, basil. Prepare for a comforting and cheesy experience. Cooking instructions for eggplant parmesan. Slice eggplant and dip in beaten eggs, then coat with breadcrumbs. Bake or pan-fry eggplant slices until golden brown. Layer eggplant with marinara sauce, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. Bake until bubbly and golden. Garnish with fresh basil. And there you have it: 5 delicious meatless dishes to elevate your culinary experience. Whether you're a dedicated vegetarian or just looking for tasty alternatives, these recipes offer a delightful range of flavors to explore. If you enjoyed this culinary adventure of crafting meatless delights with me today, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the aroma of culinary excellence and the joy of creating memorable meals.